Episode 4. Jesus kept the seventh-day Sabbath. Not one feast day replaced it. If Jesus is your example, then why aren't you following his footsteps? Because in all four Gospels there is one consistent truth. Jesus Christ kept the seventh-day Sabbath. Not once, not occasionally, not under protest, but as his holy custom. Luke 4:16 declares it plainly. And he came to Nazareth, where he had been brought up, and as his custom was, he went into the synagogue on the Sabbath day and stood up to read. Did you catch that? It wasn't a one-time visit. It wasn't a Jewish ritual. It was his custom, a sacred habit, a divine appointment. So here's the question. If the Son of God kept the seventh-day Sabbath, who gave you the right to ignore it? Some say that was for the Jews. Then was Jesus a Jew or a Christian? He didn't abolish the Sabbath. He magnified it. He healed on it. He taught on it. He never broke it. He rebuked the Pharisees for burdening it, not for keeping it. In Matthew 24:20, Jesus even warned his disciples to pray that their future escape wouldn't fall on the Sabbath, a prophecy that pointed decades beyond the cross to 70 AD. Why would Jesus warn about the Sabbath if he intended to abolish it? Because he didn't. Acts 13:42-44 shows Paul preaching to Gentiles on the Sabbath. And when they begged for more, Paul didn't say, "Meet me next Sunday." He returned the next Sabbath. Even the apostles knew Sunday was never commanded. The seventh day was still God's. Nowhere do you find Jesus keeping a Sunday worship service. Nowhere do you find him commanding his followers to replace the seventh-day Sabbath with the first. The only time he was even active on Sunday was resting in the tomb. Let that sink in. Jesus died on Friday, Preparation Day, rested in the grave on Saturday, Sabbath, and rose after the Sabbath was complete. Even in death, the Lord of creation honored his own Sabbath. So I ask, who changed the day? Who gave the authority to override the Creator's command? Did Jesus tell us? Did the apostles declare it? No. The first command to keep Sunday didn't come from heaven. It came from Rome. Emperor Constantine in AD 321 declared Sunday a day of rest in honor of the sun god, not the Son of God. And in AD 325, Pope Sylvester I renamed the seventh day the Sabbath and called Sunday the Lord's Day. Not because of Scripture, not because of Christ, but because of man-made religion. Yet churches around the world continue to say, we honor Christ by worshipping on Sunday. But Jesus never asked for that. He never claimed Sunday. He never sanctified it. So ask yourself, if Jesus is truly your Lord, why don't you honor his day? Isaiah 58:13-14 promises blessings if you turn away from doing your own pleasure on the Sabbath, not on Sunday. The final judgment will not ask if you followed tradition. It will ask if you obeyed the truth. And the truth is this: the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. Exodus 20:10. If ye love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. He that saith, I know him, and keepeth not his commandments, is a liar. 1 John 2:4. So I ask again, who do you follow? Jesus, who kept the Sabbath, or Constantine, who changed it? Who